This is Charles. This is another day for me here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. I quite like to stay around in District 1 because most of the sites that I want to go to is within walking distance. This is the Palace of Justice, or I think it's a law court. So this is the Unification Palace. So now I'm heading over to the Notre Dame. So now I'm here at the cathedral. It's under restoration at the moment, that's why do not enter. Just opposite the Notre Dame is the post office. Have you ever seen post office is so crowded with tourists? Teachers teaching the kids how to post a letter. That's all from the post office. See you in the next destination. I'm now at Ben Thanh Market. So they almost sell like everything you need. So which one can change Brunei dollar?
In front of it, you can see that my van. They can change Brunei dollar.
Hey, bro.
See
Okay,
you.
I'm now in this street. It's full of halal restaurants. So they even accept Malaysian ringgit. Our restaurant, they serve Vietnamese food but halal. Now we are off to Pho 2000. So I just ordered pho and they ordered the other.
Yep. Something else.
So now we just finished the Pho 2000 because there are too many people up there. I had mine for 108,000. So remember, do not use the wet tissue because they do charge
For 3,000.
in every restaurant. I'm in front of the famous Rex Hotel. So the famous is the rooftop cocktail at the rooftop. So just walk to the other building. What is that building? Another French
town hall.
There's the post office. I'm back at the post office now. I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.